Captain's log. Day 9,752 and a half. Still lost at sea.
We have a long ways to go.
We like you heard the man. Long ways to go. We blew a motor. We're down to one motor. You guys, this is serious business.
You blew a second motor?
We've blown it. Hang on. The first motor's got to start working again. We blew engine B.
Engine B just started working.
Fighting sharks. Just another day. Out here in the Atlantic.
Engine B again.
Note to self whenever I make it back home. Destroy engine B. Hey, this is the captain's log, not engine B's log. Zip your face.
Okay.
Some people just don't know the heartache that we go through.